people in the city cannot start the day without coffee, and they have to sleep for 8 hours at least. I don't feel the need to, I'm like recharging from being in the nature. I'm forgetting about food. I can sleep only 3-4 hours per day, and you're just disconnecting from this human life, and you try to be part of the nature. My name is Boris Belchev, and I have addiction from birdwatching and nature photography. Why birds? It's a good question. I remember from my childhood, I was dreaming that I'm flying. I was always waking up on the floor. They're just very addictive, if I can use this word. You at first start learning birds around you. You get this appetite to see new bird species, and then you want to take photos of all species that's in your area. And later I realized that I want to be an ornithologist, and it's become, from my hobby, birdwatching become my profession. When you get yourself into the forest, you of course hearing the birds. Your attention is grabbed by the movements of the birds. It's like a hunting instinct. Reed warbler, gray heron, herringull, bramblings and chaffinches. Again, we have the second sparrowhawk today, and this is the sound. It's the missel thrush. Again, missel thrush. It's like eating your favorite dessert. The main goal of most of the ornithologists, especially nowadays, is to help the birds survive this climate change and to stop the decreasing biodiversity. Great cormorant, starlings, and funny name, but tits. It's very positive impact that we can do with just sharing our observation, because scientists can see if something is happening very quickly and notice this on time before it's too late. We were very lucky today. I was not expecting ospreys. Knowing the birds is also improving your quality of life. It's just releasing hormones of joy, and it's changing your perspective of going to the forest, for example. It's strange to think about this, but you have to experience yourself to realize what I'm speaking about. See you later. Wait,